So what is up, everybody? Today we have here the new Mitsubishi Strada Ralliart Edition. But we're not just gonna do some regular driving, the regular reviews today. What we're gonna do is we're going camping. And today I have here my friends with me. That's Ruth, say hi. That's Algin and si Therese. And we're gonna load up some stuff and we're gonna start driving to Cavinti, Laguna, Chandava Lake Resort in Cavinti. So let's go! Okay, so we're on our way to Cavinti. Galing lang kami Los Baños, medyo malapit lang. It's just an hour and a half drive from there. If you're coming in from Metro Manila, pwede kang mag-SLEX. You can take the South Luzon Expressway and exit via Calamba or Turbina. Then you head east, you're gonna reach Los Baños, then all the way to the southern towns of Laguna. Pero may isa pang ruta, pwede nyo daanan. You can also take Rizal. Iikot kayo ng Pililya that way. It's a trickier road, hindi siya as straightforward as the expressway, pero it's a more scenic route and a more fun drive. From Pagsanhan, meron kang dalawang option. Isa papunta diretsong Cavinti, isa dadaan sa Caliraya. Dadaan ka pa nga lang na Lumban, so medyo mas mahaba yun. Pero we decided to take this route anyway. Kasi bukod sa mas maganda yung view, mas masarap din i-drive to kasi maraming twisties. Mapa motor or kotse, masaya yung road trip na to. From here, more or less 15 to 20 minutes na lang naman to our destination. So hindi na rin naman ganun kalaki na dagdag sa travel time. Pagdating namin sa Chandava, nag-check-in lang kami, nag-ready lang kami, then pumasok na kami ng resort. Sinilip muna namin yung motocamping grounds, kaso turns out, hindi mo pala mapapark yung kotse sa tabi ng lake kasi nga yun nga, pang motor specifically yung side na yun. Medyo nahirapan lang kami maglabas-pasok, muntik na kami mabahura, pero okay naman, kaya din naman siya ng motor kung magdadala ka na ng 2 wheels doon. Lumipat na kami dun sa car camping site and thankfully, wala pa naman nakapwesto dun sa gusto namin spot. Maganda kasi dito, nasa may tuktok ka, tapos kitang-kita mo yung lake and masarap yung simoy ng hangin. Finally set up camp and inabot na kami ng tanghali, so kailangan na namin magluto ng lunch. We have quarter chickens here, tapos ang gagamitin namin recipe ay yung grilled chicken with pineapple barbecue sauce. So galing tong recipe na to sa yummy.ph. We'll link it in the description below if gusto nyo subukan. Medyo madali lang siya. Meron kami ingredients dito. Sinukat na namin sila para madali lang, haluin na lang namin dito sa, wala kaming saucepan, so sa kaserola na lang. Just mix everything there and lutuin, tapos yun yung i-baste namin dun sa chicken pag i-grill na siya mamaya. Okay? Yummy's recipe was easy to put together, but the problem we had here was we accidentally bought pineapple tidbits instead of crushed pineapple. So, medyo hindi naging maganda itsura nung basting sauce namin. Pero, okay naman. Masarap naman siya. Sorry, Yummy, for kind of botching your recipe. Hindi talaga kami built for cooking. It's so hard to start a fire kasi medyo mahangin dito sa Cavinti. Kung pupunta kayo dito, I suggest siguro yung lutuan nyo yung merong pangharang. Whether you're grilling or you're cooking sa butane stove, makakatulong yun. Kasi ang tagal namin bago nakapagpabaga ng uling kasi nga sobrang lakas ng hangin. So yan, kita nyo naman, no? Nasunog pa yung isang manok. Pero feel ko naman, masarap pa rin yan kasi balat lang naman yung nasunog. Pagkaluto nung chicken, nag-setup na kami for lunch. Nakabili din kami ng laing, pandagdag ulam, and some fresh buko from the resort. So we're finally done with lunch and na-ready na rin namin yung dinner namin kasi nga mahirap magpabaga ng uling, so tinuloy-tuloy na namin. And our tents are already set here sa likod ng sasakyan. Okay yung pwesto namin, makulimlim, mahangin, and we're just gonna get some rest until lumubog na yung araw and just get ready for dinner. Just gonna enjoy the view and enjoy nature. Pahinga muna. We took the time in the afternoon not just to rest but also to tour the resort. Merong tindahan doon sa bukana ng resort. Nakalista doon lahat ng rates ng Chandava and makikita nyo dito, hindi gaano kamahal yung gagastusin mo pag pupunta ka dito. Sa grupo namin, 4 kami, base expenses were 450 pesos per head. Kasama na doon yung entrance fee, yung parking fee for 1 car, and yung pitching fee for 2 tents. Pwede ka din mag-rent ng kung ano-ano dito, like kutsyon, ihawan, upuan, mesa, just really everything you need for camping. Pwede ka nga magpunta dito ng dala mo lang damit, tapos lahat ng kailangan mo marirentahan mo na sa resort. Marami pang pitching sites doon sa loob ng resort. If you're not here for car camping, maraming parking spaces, then papasok ka na lang, magpipitch ka ng tent doon sa kabilang side ng lake. Now, if you want to spend the night by the lake, but you don't really like the idea of camping, pwede mo ding rentahan yung mga lake houses dito. But they're only for probably 2 or 3 people at most. If medyo madami kayo, you can also opt for the concrete cottages. There are a few around the resort. As for amenities, walang shower dito sa resort, pero merong toilet, merong gripo, and meron ding lababo. For dinner, we had the liempo we cooked earlier in the day, and we also had mongo and freshly grilled tilapia, both from the resort. Nagpasindi din kami ng bonfire, which lasted us a few hours, and we bought marshmallows from the store to make some s'mores before we called it a night. The next morning, we woke up to the lake's cool breeze. While it was a bit cloudy, so we couldn't really see the sunrise, we're just thankful the rain still hasn't bothered us since we arrived. Now, since we had to check out early, the first order of business for the day was to make some coffee before we head out. Okay, so we're finally done camping. It's been a fun and peaceful night. Sobrang chill, sobrang saya. It's nice to slow down every once in a while. But now it's time to head out. So hanap kami ng masarap na pwedeng kainan ng breakfast dito sa Cavinti or somewhere in Laguna. We're gonna head to a coffee shop and we'll head home from there. We initially planned to drive back to Los Baños and just look for a coffee shop on the way home. But we made the last minute decision to just make a detour and visit one of our favorite coffee shops in the nearby town of Paite. So after our quick breakfast at Higop Cafe in Paite, Laguna, it's time to head back home. We're driving back to Los Baños now, and that wraps up our camping weekend. It's been fun. We're definitely gonna do this again, probably with a different rig or a different car and more gear, and definitely new locations. Somewhere north, somewhere further south, I don't know. We'll see. So till our next camping trip, this has been Leander Gesha for Top Gear Philippines, and I'll see you guys in the next one.